The golden years, closer than they appear. As we journey through life, we often envision our retirement as a time of peace and fulfillment, a period where we can finally enjoy the fruits of our labor. Did you know that nearly half of Americans haven't saved enough for retirement? This lack of preparation can lead to significant stress and anxiety as retirement approaches. It's a startling statistic that highlights a growing problem. The financial landscape is changing, and many are finding it difficult to keep up. Many of us dream of relaxing days on the beach or traveling the world after retirement. These dreams are achievable, but they require careful planning and foresight. But without proper planning, those dreams can easily turn into financial nightmares. Unexpected expenses and insufficient savings can derail even the best-laid plans. It's never too early or too late to start planning for the future you deserve. By taking proactive steps today, you can ensure a comfortable and secure retirement. Seek advice, make informed decisions, and take control of your financial destiny. Time is money. This age-old adage holds especially true when it comes to financial planning. The earlier you start, the more you can take advantage of the time value of money. Why start planning now? Because the decisions you make today will shape your financial future. Planning ahead allows you to set clear goals and create a roadmap to achieve them. The power of compound interest cannot be overstated. By reinvesting your earnings, you can generate returns not just on your initial investment, but also on the returns themselves. The earlier you start saving, the more time your money has to grow. This means you can reach your financial goals faster and with less effort. Even small contributions, made consistently over time, can add up to a significant nest egg. It's not about how much you save at once, but about building a habit of saving regularly. Starting early also gives you more flexibility to adjust your plan as your life changes. Whether it's a new job, a growing family, or unexpected expenses, having a plan in place makes it easier to adapt. Don't let procrastination steal your financial security. The sooner you start, the better prepared you'll be to handle whatever life throws your way. Take control of your financial future today. Roadblocks on the path to paradise. Identifying the challenges. One of the biggest obstacles to retirement planning is simply knowing where to begin. The world of finance can feel overwhelming, with countless investment options and ever-changing market conditions. Another challenge is determining how much money you'll actually need. Factors like inflation, healthcare costs, and your desired lifestyle all come into play. Charting your course: actionable steps for retirement planning. Planning for retirement can seem daunting, but with the right steps, you can secure a comfortable and fulfilling future. Let's break down the essential actions you need to take to ensure you're on the right path. Don't let these challenges discourage you. Remember, every journey begins with a single step, and your retirement planning is no different. Stay motivated and focused on your goals. The first step is to create a budget and track your spending. This might seem tedious, but it's crucial. By understanding your current financial situation, you can make informed decisions about your future. This will give you a clear picture of where your money is going and identify areas where you can save. Small changes in your spending habits can lead to significant savings over time. Next, consider setting up a retirement account, such as a 401k or IRA. These accounts are designed to help you save for the long term and often come with employer contributions, which can boost your savings. These accounts offer tax advantages and can help your savings grow faster. Take advantage of any employer match programs, as this is essentially free money towards your retirement. Finally, don't be afraid to seek professional financial advice to create a personalized plan. A financial advisor can provide valuable insights and strategies tailored to your unique situation, helping you navigate the complexities of retirement planning with confidence.